Imagine a bird. Is its beak a delicate pair of tweezers plucking a tiny insect from a leaf? Or is it a powerful nutcracker crushing a tough shell? In nature, a beak isn't just a mouth. It's a specialized tool, a key perfectly shaped for a specific lock. This is the idea behind the Bird Beak Challenge, a classic experiment that turns your kitchen into an ecosystem. You don't need real birds, just analogies. A pair of tweezers becomes the thin, precise beak of a honeyeater. Pliers stand in for the strong, crushing beak of a cockatoo, and a simple spoon mimics the scooping beak of a pelican. Your mission is to feed. The food sources represent different habitats: tiny seeds buried in sand, hard nuts, or floating fish in water. The catch? You only have 30 seconds for each trial. This controlled time limit ensures a fair test. You'll use your beak to move as much food as you can into a cup, your stomach. But it's not just about the numbers. As you work, pay attention to the feel. Are the tweezers clumsy with the nuts? Does the spoon spill the seeds? These qualitative observations, the story behind the numbers, are just as important. Sometimes things go wrong. You drop your tool, or a result looks wildly different from the others, an outlier. That's why you repeat each trial 3 times and calculate an average. This isn't just a school rule, it's how real science works. Accuracy and honesty are everything. In the end, you'll discover there's no single best beak. The tweezers fail with nuts, and the pliers are useless with water. Success depends entirely on the environment. And through this simple challenge, you get a real-life feel for one of biology's biggest ideas: adaptation and the constant, quiet struggle for survival.